The Orange Harvest Crisis, written by Okala Kasemi. Weather and oranges. Farmers depend on the weather to help their crops grow. If the weather pattern changes, the crops can change. Florida is known for growing oranges. Florida grows more oranges than any other place in the world except for Brazil. There is even an orange on Florida's license plate. Sadly, there have been fewer oranges every year in Florida. Disease. In 2005, a disease started to infect the orange trees. Tiny flying insects from Asia brought the disease. The disease is known as greening. The greening disease caused the trees to produce fewer oranges, and of the oranges that do grow, some are not as healthy as they used to be. Scientists are doing research to find a cure for the disease so the trees can be healthy again. If they do not find a way to stop the disease, the problem will get worse every year. Hurricanes. Changes in weather patterns mean there are more hurricanes every year. The hurricanes are getting more and more severe. The hurricanes are what brought the insects from Asia over to Florida. With more hurricanes, there have been more insects. The more insects, the more disease. The more disease, the fewer oranges. The hurricanes also tear up trees and destroy orange groves. Farmers have to spend time and money planting new trees after a hurricane. It gets very expensive for farmers to keep replanting. Farmers also do not get as many oranges off new trees. It takes a few years to recover after a hurricane. Effects of orange shortage. Hurricanes and disease destroyed most of the orange trees in Florida. The number of oranges farmers sold in 2004 was 70% higher than the number of oranges they sold in 2016. It is costing farmers 3 times as much money to grow crops, and the crops are much smaller. Many people who grow oranges or pick oranges no longer have jobs. It is not just the farmers that lose money. Many jobs in Florida are affected by the orange shortages. Farmers used to replant orange trees that were lost in hurricanes. Now many orange farmers sell their farms. Less juice. Farmers need to sell oranges to make money. Fewer oranges means farmers have to sell oranges for more money for their farms to survive. Raising the price of orange juice makes it harder for people to buy it. People buy less orange juice because it costs more. This means that farmers have even less money. The orange juice companies have made juice boxes smaller because there is less juice being made. This helps keep the prices lower. Farmers are hopeful that they will have better luck with the weather. Maybe there will be a year with fewer hurricanes and less disease. Farmers also hope that scientists will find a cure for greening. Orange farmers will keep trying to survive, and maybe the orange industry in Florida will get better again. Glossary. Hurricane, a bad storm with very high winds and rain. Infect, to cause a disease. Survive, to be able to live.